Sorry, I'm fine. I try because I can't let her go down this path. Men yaxshiman. I try this. I try because I can't let her go down this path. Men shunday dedim. Men shuni harakat qilaman chunki men uni yo'lga qo'ya olmayman. Bu yo'ldan pastga tushira olmayman. It was a good thing for her to move. Uni ketishi unga yaxshi ish edi. She can't regret it because I got a little hard on this job. Uni qabul qila olmasdi chunki I got a little hard. Men juda ozroq azoblangandim, jarohatlangandim the job. Ishdan. She sniffed, wiping her with ease. Ko'z yoshlarini artardi with her hand, qo'llari bilan, and shakes her head. Her eyes roaming over me. Uning ko'zlari menga tashqari qarardi. And I wish I wasn't in this fucking hospital bed. I mean, istardimki I wasn't in this fucking hospital bed. Men bu asqar mehmonxonaning yotog'ida bo'lishni istamasdim. That she didn't look so scared and uncertain. Ana shu juda ko'rinmasdi, juda qo'rqinchli, shunda qo'rqqan va aniq bo'lgan, xomush bo'lgan ko'rinmasdi. Tori always had to be strong one. Har doim kuchli bittasi bo'lishi shart edi. All that left when we were wrong. Bizning otamiz ketgan edi, biz yoshligimizda tashlab ketganda. And our mother should have but didn't. Va bizning onamiz ham qilishi mumkin edi, lekin unday qilmadi. Tori was there for me and our brother Bowen. Tori va bizning akamiz shu yerda edi biz uchun. Tori men va akam Bowen uchun shu yerda edi. She was only 6 years older than me and 4 years older than Bowen. U faqat mendan 6 yosh va akamdan 4 yoshgina katta edi. Bowen akamdan. But she was our rock. Lekin bizning qalqonimiz, tog'imiz edi. She had to grow up way too fast. U juda tez katta ulg'aydi va this was her chance to that happiness. Va bu uning imkoniyati to be happiness. Xo'sh, bu uning xursandchilik imkoniyati edi. At living her own life for the first time. O'zining hayotida birinchi marta yashashi uchun. I'm fine. Men yaxshiman. I said clearly and somehow managed to flinch from the shooting pain in my head and I sat up a little more in the bed. Va men shunday degandan keyin o'zimni yotoqdan kallamni ozroq ko'tardim. Og'riq sezsam ham ozroq ko'tardim kallamni. Asosan mana shu. You are not fine. Sen yaxshimassan. She said, deadly serious. Va ko'zlari mirjaygan holda juda jiddiy bo'lib sen yaxshimassan dedi. You have a little concussion. You have so many cuts and bruises. Senda jarohatlar ko'p. Juda ko'p yorug'lar va bruiseslar ko'p. Xullas, ko'p so'zlarni bilmayman. Ba'zi so'zlarni bilmayman, bo'lmaysizlar. You have broken ribs. Senda singan umurtqalar va and broken leg. Singan oyoq bor. Oyog'ing singan. You could have died. Sen o'lishing mumkin edi. But I didn't. I say, I'm alive. Where's Elijah? Men tirikman. Elijah qayerda? With Paul, her husband. Okay. Good. They're getting a snack at the vending machine. I wanted to tag you to you first. Men birinchi sizga gaplashishga uchun keldim. Ular qolishdi mashina vending mashina bilan qolishdi. Tori, I start, but she holds up me on one hand to silence me. You can't do this, kid. Sen buni qilolmaysan. Kid, I know you want to be firefighter. Men sen bilaman, o't o'chiruvchi bo'lishni xohlayapsan. I'm a firefighter. Men o't o'chiruvchiman. I say firmly, but she doesn't acknowledge it. Men shunday arang dedim, lekin u ishonmayroq, qabul qilmayroq turdim. But you could have died. Sen o'lishing mumkin edi. Elijah Moses already died. Elijahning onasi allaqachon o'ldi. You are he has. Sen unda borsan. And maybe it was selfish to make to move so far away. Va bu men ketishim juda o'ziga bino qo'ygan o'z boshimchalik, o'zini yaxshi ko'rish bo'lishi mumkin edi, uzoq ketish. No, I shift again on the bed, ignore the agony and wishing for another dose of morphine. Men yana bir kallani ozroq ko'tardim yotoqqa qarshi qilib va og'riqni unutib va yana ozroq morfin og'riq qoldiruvchi bo'lishini istab turdim. It wasn't. You don't more than enough. Sen keragidan ortiq qilding. You aren't your responsible. Biz sizning majburiyatingiz emasmiz. Tori, I'm grown man. Men katta odamman with my son. Farzandim bilan farzandli katta odamman. I can and I do take care of him. Men qilaman va men oilamga bunga qarashim kerak. Men qarayman. You need someone to help you. He was with that toddler you hired to watch him. Senga kimdir kerak senga yordam berishun. He was with that toddler you hired to watch him. Shu odam bilan qaraguvchi bilan sen unga qarashga qilgan uchun yo'llagan odaming bilan. It wasn't. You don't more than enough. Sen nima? Sen kerakdan ortiq yordam berding. We aren't your responsibility, Tori. I'm grown man and with son. I can and do take care of him. Ana shu so'zlar uning haqiqiy o'chuvchiligini bildiradi. Va